Here's how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 or 11. Open your browser and go to code.visualstudio.com, the official Microsoft VS Code website. Click the Download for Windows button on the homepage. The download will start automatically and save the installer to your Downloads folder. Once downloaded, open the file. Accept the license agreement and click Next. On the Additional Tasks screen, check Create a Desktop icon so you can launch VS Code easily, and also check Add Open with Code to the Windows Explorer context menu, which lets you right-click any file or folder and open it directly in VS Code, which is a genuine time saver for developers. Click Next, then Install and wait for it to finish. Make sure Visual Studio Code is checked and click Finish. VS Code will open and ask you to choose a theme. Dark is the most popular choice for extended coding sessions since it reduces eye strain. You can always change this later through the gear icon at the bottom left. VS Code works with virtually every programming language through extensions. Go to the Extensions icon on the left sidebar to browse and install language support, themes, and tools as you need them. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.